Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add audio in Capcut. So if you want to have audio attached to your videos, as you guys can see here, this is my video with no audio or music and I want to add one. So what you need to do is just head to audio options at the top, and then here you can just click on this TikTok sound if you want to add from TikTok, or you can also click on extract audio if you want to use audio from a video, or you can also import an audio directly from your device. You can just click on import device and tap on this import button and choose the audio that you want. For example, I'm going to use this audios right here. You can tap on open, and now you can just drag it to your to the timeline and it will be applied to your videos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.